Go to plugins, add new, search Wishlist, install now, activate, run the setup wizard, click let's go, leave that is, click continue. Just go through the setup wizard and leave everything as is because we're going to actually do it later. All right, now go to Wishlist settings, and you have to go through the wizard or like breaks. All right, general settings, go ahead and change this to my wishlist. Wishlist page is wishlist. Require login turn on. Redirect to login page. Show wishlist in my account. Remove product. Off. Turn remove product on second click. Show successful notice. View wishlist. Product added to wishlist. Product removed from wishlist. That's all fun. All right, product page. Add to wishlist buttons settings. Can't talk today. That's fine. That's fine. We're going to do none and just click black. Show button text, don't show preloader. Add to wish list, remove to wish. Product listing button settings. I'm going to do off and show in product listing, just leave that as is. Wish list product settings, leave on, add to cart, on. Wish list table settings. These are on, add selected to cart, on, add all to cart. Social network sharing options. I'm going to turn all of these off. You can do share on, go ahead and do dark, it doesn't really matter. Wishlist product counter, you're going to do none, we'll use font color. Show wishlist, select your menu, on, off. Click save settings. Go to style options, use theme style, turn it off, save settings, and you're done.